Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam. We're so happy to have you join us today.
Yes, and today we're bringing you a very cozy and relaxing English conversation.
That's right. We're taking you to one of our favorite places in the city.
City Brew Café.
A warm cafe, fresh coffee, soft morning music, the perfect place to practice real English.
Exactly. And today's story is all about a peaceful morning, simple conversations, and natural everyday English.
So sit back, grab your coffee, and enjoy the moment with us.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this lesson with your friends.
All right, are you ready?
Let's begin our conversation, Morning at City Brew Café.
Good morning, Sarah. You're early today.
Morning, Adam. Yes, I came a little early to enjoy the quiet cafe.
I love how peaceful City Brew Café feels in the morning.
Same here. The smell of fresh coffee is the best way to start the day.
Definitely. It makes the whole place warm and welcoming.
So, what do you feel like drinking today?
Maybe a cappuccino. It's my usual morning choice.
I knew you'd say that.
And you're getting a latte, right?
Of course. Lattes are my comfort drink.
I don't know how you drink the same thing every day.
Hey, loyalty's a strength.
Sure.
Let's sit by the window today.
Good idea. The sunlight looks soft and calm.
It makes the cafe glow.
And the street view is always interesting.
Look at the sunlight on the wooden tables.
It makes the whole place feel warm.
I love cozy spaces like this.
For me, cafes feel like a small escape from the busy world.
Exactly. A morning shelter.
Have you eaten breakfast?
Not yet. I thought I'd have something small here.
Are you planning to get a pastry?
I might. Maybe a croissant.
You and croissants.
Don't judge me.
I'm not judging. I'm admiring your consistency.
That sounds like judging in a polite way.
Okay, maybe a little.
Haha, you're impossible.
So, what are your plans today?
I have a meeting later, but before that, I want to read a bit.
Reading in a cafe is such a nice way to start the morning.
Yes, it helps me focus and relax.
What are you reading now?
A fiction novel. Something light and cozy.
Perfect match for a cafe morning. I think I should start reading more.
You should. It's good for your mind.
I usually read news articles, not books.
News is good, but stories give you a different kind of peace.
Maybe I'll try a novel next week.
Do it. I'll recommend one for you.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30. I like slow mornings.
I wake up around 7, but I rush too much.
You need a slow morning ritual.
Like what?
Maybe stretching, listening to soft music, or enjoying a quiet drink.
That sounds relaxing.
Try it. It makes a difference.
Speaking of relaxing, this cafe music is so peaceful today.
Yes, gentle jazz always sets the right mood.
It makes me want to stay here all morning.
Me too.
Do you ever think about working from a cafe instead of home?
Yes, sometimes I do. It makes me feel more inspired.
The sounds, the smell, the atmosphere, all of it helps.
Exactly. It feels alive, but not overwhelming.
I want to try working from here next week.
I'll join you. We can make it a routine.
Do you like quiet places?
Very much.
I can tell. You always choose calm cafes and soft music.
You know me well.
I do.
What do you like about cafes?
The mix of calm and activity. It's peaceful, but not silent.
That's a good way to put it.
And the coffee smell? Ah, that's the best part.
Yes, coffee smell feels like a warm hug.
I think mornings like this help people reset.
Absolutely. Every new sunrise feels like a new chance.
Deep thoughts already?
Coffee makes me wise.
Just coffee?
Maybe good company too.
There it is.
You look relaxed today.
I am. Sitting here makes me feel peaceful.
Same here. I forget the stress when I'm in this cafe.
That's why I like coming here early.
What time is your meeting later?
Around 11.
So you have time to enjoy the morning.
Yes, and I plan to use every minute of it.
Do you want something to eat?
Maybe in a bit. I'm just enjoying the moment right now.
I get that.
What about you? Hungry?
A little, but coffee is enough for now.
Coffee first, food second.
That's the rule.
I love how we always end up having long conversations in cafes.
Yes, cafes bring out the talkative side of me.
I noticed.
And mornings make it even easier.
Mornings feel softer.
Yes, like life slows down.
Do you think cafes are better in the morning or evening?
Morning for sure. Evenings are nice, but mornings feel pure.
I feel the same.
The sunlight is getting brighter.
Yes, but it still looks soft and golden.
Perfect lighting for a calm start.
We picked the best table.
We always do. Adam, if you could design your perfect morning, what would it look like?
Maybe waking up early, stretching a bit, then coming here for a slow breakfast.
That sounds really peaceful.
And you?
My perfect morning looks like this: fresh air, a warm drink, a cozy seat, and good conversation.
You just described our morning right now.
Exactly. That's why I'm happy.
Do you ever imagine owning a cafe?
Sometimes, a small, cozy place with warm lighting and soft music.
That fits your personality. What about you? If I owned a cafe, it would have huge windows and a lot of natural light.
A bright cafe. Nice.
Yes, bright, but calm.
I would visit it every day.
Do you prefer hot drinks or iced drinks in the morning?
Hot drinks. Iced drinks are for afternoons.
Interesting. I'm the opposite sometimes.
You drink iced coffee at any time.
Guilty.
I knew it.
What's your favorite cafe memory?
Probably the first time I discovered this place. I walked in and instantly felt warm.
I love cafes that feel like home.
Yes, some places just have that energy.
This cafe definitely has it. Do you think mornings affect your mood for the whole day?
Absolutely. A calm morning creates a calm mind.
That's why I try to avoid rushing.
Same here. Rushing ruins the whole day.
What motivates you to wake up early?
Days feel longer. I get more done.
Exactly. Mornings give extra hours of peace.
And the world is quieter.
Yes, like the world is still stretching.
I love how the sunlight slowly moves across the floor.
It's beautiful, like watching time pass gently.
That's poetic.
Maybe coffee makes me poetic too.
Everything makes you poetic.
Maybe.
Do you ever listen to cafe ambiance at home?
Yes. Sometimes I play cafe sounds on YouTube while I work.
I didn't know that.
It helps me focus.
Maybe I'll try that too.
What do you want to accomplish today?
I want to finish a few tasks and maybe rest later.
A balanced day. Good plan.
And you?
Finish my meeting, read a bit, and relax before evening.
Sounds perfect.
Adam, do you enjoy mornings more as you get older?
Definitely. When I was younger, mornings felt like punishment.
Same.
But now, mornings feel like gifts.
Yes, like small beginnings.
Do you think we'll keep doing cafe mornings every week?
I hope so. I enjoy them a lot.
Me too.
It's a simple habit, but it brings joy.
Simple joys are the best ones.
Adam, do you ever think about how many conversations we've had in cafes?
Many.
And most of them meaningful.
That's true. Something about cafes makes us talk deeper.
Or maybe we're just good at talking.
Or both.
I like that mornings with you always feel balanced.
Balanced?
Yes. Calm, warm, thoughtful.
I like that.
Good.
Do you want another drink?
Maybe later. I'm enjoying this moment.
Same. No rush.
Morning light is starting to brighten the street even more.
Yes, the whole city is waking up now.
But it still feels quiet inside here.
That's the magic of this cafe.
Adam, thank you for mornings like this.
Thank you too, Sarah.
I always leave this cafe feeling lighter.
That's the power of good coffee and good company.
Exactly.
Let's make this our weekly ritual.
I'd love that. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!